and your last year of doing jack shit has shown you no more, laugh out loud, you should know that with that nutritionist certification, laughing face, laughing face, laughing face, you are trying to get laughing face, laughing face, laughing face, that your metabolism is complete and utter garbage. How about you do a real time and step on the scale while recording like you used to do? Willing to bet it's not 180 something like you're claiming. You shouldn't be proud of the fact that you did absolutely nothing for what weight loss took you 3 years. I wouldn't be. Every week you spew out complete garbage on ridiculous goals that don't happen. You're not an inspiration to a lot of us who have put in the hard work. What a joke. That is a comment that I got on my YouTube video yesterday. And it's the 20th comment that she has left in the same kind of tone and judgmental voice. So I did finally block her. I wasn't blocking her just because, I don't know, like, she's not completely wrong. Like, I need to do something with my hair. Hold on. I hadn't blocked her thus far because she's just not completely wrong. Like, I do come up with all these goals and then I don't actually hit them because of life. And she's right when she says that it's all excuses, because it is all excuses. Like, she's not completely wrong, but that one was just a little bit too on the hateful side for me. I am okay with like constructive criticism. I'm okay with you guys disagreeing with my choices. I'm okay with you calling my choices excuses. Really, like, it's kind of true. I'm not over here telling you that they're not excuses. So that's why I hadn't blocked her. But after 20 comments, kind of in the same tone and disrespect and just really judgmental voice, instead of, like, she doesn't give a shit. Like, she doesn't give a shit. Like, her whole point is just to be an asshole. So, like, I went ahead and finally blocked her. And honestly, 99% of the comments that I get here on this channel are positive and constructive and just really good people. This community is amazing, and one person is not going to hurt me. You guys already know I've been told a lot worse by my own mother. So, like, that, it really doesn't affect me. But I do want to weigh in on this video right here like I used to. The only reason why I stopped that was because I get out of bed, I go pee, and I step on the scale, and then I put my bra on and I get dressed, and then I like do some things, and then I make my video. It was annoying to like get my camera set up and then weigh in and then go do things and then it's just a lot. So we're just gonna do a vlog today and see how that goes. We're gonna weigh in together. I am switching my weigh-in day to Saturdays because it just makes more sense if I'm going to do videos like this. I think I'm going to do a Saturday vlog-ish video every single week where we'll just weigh in together in the morning. I'll take you through the day. We'll weigh in, we'll eat. I'll show you what I'm eating today. Maybe show you a little bit of what I'm doing today. OOTD, all of the things on a Saturday. And then we'll just plan on doing that every Saturday if you like this video. If this video goes well, if it's something that's beneficial and kind of fun for me. Like, ultimately it has to be fun to me and doable for me. But I love making vlogs. I just think as a creator, you have to have a purpose to your vlog. So this is my weekly weigh-in, what I eat in a day, OOTD, as someone who has lost 75 pounds using a GLP-1. That's the purpose. Hopefully showing you what life could be like if you lose weight with a GLP-1, feel good and confident in your body, and all of the above. And we'll also talk a little bit about how my week went throughout the day. As always, if you don't know who I am, I'm Nikki. I've lost 75 pounds on a GLP-1. I would love nothing more than for you to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and if you have the hype option, please hype it as well, because it just gets this video out to more people and introduces me and my story. So I appreciate that so much. P.S. I did not take my makeup off last night, so this is makeup from yesterday. I'm gonna touch up my blush a little bit, and then that's gonna be it. Like, that's gonna be my makeup for the day because my mascara is still on. And that's really like, if I don't have mascara on, I can't go out in public. It's the most important part. I don't know, I feel weird if my lashes are like non-existent if you can't see my lashes. But that's gonna be my makeup for today. I do have a hair appointment. My extensions are so grown out. Like, I don't even know if you can see them, but like it's way down here because it's been like 8 weeks. Like, it's the end of its life. So I'm going in for a hair appointment today to get my extensions taken out, washed, and moved up. I feel like I'm not a creator because I'm still like a little uncomfortable filming in public. So I don't know if I'll get any content like in the salon, but we'll see. Maybe I'll be brave. Well, there you have it. I weighed in at 185.2 pounds this morning. So definitely in the 180s, just like I've been saying. I don't think I lost weight. Okay, here's what I'm wearing today. So I just got some like wide leg black jeans and some sandals that I'm obsessed with. I don't know if these were dirty or not. I don't really care. And then this sweater is Mayfair. I'm obsessed, like beyond obsessed with Mayfair products, like all of their clothes, but it's ridiculously expensive. So I will only buy them when they're on sale. And this was on sale. But I love it so much because they always have like these little sayings on the sleeves. And they're just so comfortable. And I always get whatever they have in the waffle fabric because it's my favorite fabric. And these jeans are Alexander Jane. I've had them for so long. They're actually really loose, which is why I'm wearing them because I don't like jeans right now. I don't know why. I don't like them unless they're loose. I refuse to wear skinny jeans like ever again. They have to at least have some sort of bagginess or wide leg for me to put them on. Skinny jeans just do not make me feel confident at all. But this is the outfit today, and it's 9:12. I'm not super hungry, but I also don't want to wait until like 12:30 to eat something. So I need to eat something. I grabbed a creamy crisp to eat and a bottle of water. Let's talk a little bit about how this week went. It did not go according to plan, which is not surprising. And again, why I don't disagree with that comment at the beginning of this video. She's right. I make plans, I make goals, and I don't hit them. But that's real life. Like, how many of you are hitting your goals that you make every single week? And if you are, like, props to you. But I live a life that is not like cut and dry. I am a teacher, which is exhausting as is. I have 2 children, one who is a 4-year-old who gets in trouble every single day and does not know how to behave for his teacher. Like, I am constantly stressed out, constantly. And sometimes due to that stress, I turn to food still. Like, that is still something that I deal with to this day. I just have a hard time eating healthy food when I'm stressed out. I just want to eat something that tastes good. I'm not overeating. I have not binged once. I'm not eating a substantial amount of food. And I'm mostly eating at home. I ordered food to work twice this week. The other 3 days I did bring food. It was leftovers or it was a sandwich, but like, that's real life. And we ate at home every single night. We did not order fast food. We did not get fast food. We ate at home every single night this week. That is huge for me. That is a huge accomplishment if you've been watching my channel for a long time. So there was very little fast food this week, but I still maintained my weight. And I really think that that has a lot to do with the stress that I'm going through and the fact that maybe I'm not adding an exercise. I don't have time to add an exercise, and you can call that an excuse all you want. But I cannot literally put time back in my day. Like, it's impossible. I can't do it. And I'm not going to stay up until midnight or wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. It's just not going to happen. That's never going to be my reality. So I will add an exercise when I have the time and when I want to. But at the same time, like, I don't care if I'm losing weight every single week anymore. I really don't care. I am very happy with the way that my life is right now. And the weight loss will come. It will come. It's that simple. I don't know how else to like explain it to people that don't get it. And I think most of you do. Like I said, 99% of my comments are good comments. Like I get very little hate here. I get very little like really mean comments. I'll get some constructive criticism that I agree with, right? But I don't get a lot of the like hateful, mean comments like the one that I read at the beginning of this video. But one comment can really throw me, and I don't know why. It doesn't last for long, don't worry. Like it's not affecting like my mental health or anything. It just makes me like think a little bit more. And I know it comes with this platform, so really it doesn't bother me that much. Like I'm really not complaining, I'm just explaining, I guess. And just saying that like regardless of the comments, I'm still gonna go on the way that I'm going on. Like overall, this was a good week. I'm just very much maintaining where I'm at. And I don't know if that's necessarily a bad thing. I think there's gonna be weeks where I lose weight and there's gonna be weeks where I maintain weight, but ultimately I am not gaining weight, and that's the goal right now. Hair is done. It looks so good. I still can't record in public, so we're in the bathroom. Now we're at my 9-year-old's volleyball game. It is 1:32 and we're at Olive Garden. That's what we're having for lunch. We tend to get lunch after Jolene's volleyball games. Hi, Jolene. They lost, but we're getting lunch. I will take some pictures of what I eat for lunch. I don't know if I'll film in there. We'll see. I ordered the eggplant parmesan, but I don't like spaghetti, so I instead asked for like an extra eggplant and they give that to me. I doubt that I'll eat this whole plate, but it is delicious. I also had 1.5 breadsticks with some Alfredo sauce, so that's what I'm having for lunch. It'll probably turn into like a lunch dinner, and then I'll eat again like much later today. You guys have like a new Oreo one, right? Perfect, yeah. Can I get one of those? A Royal Ultimate Choco Brownie, a small of that. Let me do a mini of the Oreo one too. Thank you. I think one of the biggest things that I want to mention here is that maybe my priority is not like completely like I don't want to be in a weight loss mode like all the time. And maybe right now I'm just not. Maybe that's not a priority right now. I'm totally getting ice cream right now and I'm going to eat it. I don't know if I'll eat the whole thing, but Olive Garden ice cream today, and then tonight I will probably have something very small for dinner, which I will tell you guys what I'm having for dinner. But that's what my Saturday looks like, and I'm doing so much better during the week. I'm just not prioritizing weight loss right now. And maybe that's just where I'm at. It's Don't touch him.
Mommy's trying to make a video.
Not really. Jolene got the ultimate brownie. I don't like chocolate ice cream, so I'm not going to try it, but it does look delicious. And then Jude and I got the new Oreo snow drip or something like that. It has like this marshmallow on top. It is so good. I've already had it before. It's so good. Okay, I just got home and it's 3:03. This is how much of my ice cream is left. I did not want that much of it. I never eat very much of it. I just wanted something sweet. I was just craving something sweet. And so I got it. I'll give the rest of this to my husband, but I'm going to eat my Grunes because this is a necessity every single day if you're on a GLP-1. Okay, it's 8 o'clock and I am starving. I haven't eaten anything since Olive Garden and the ice cream at like 3. So I went in my fridge and I found this. This is just like chorizo on top of some beans. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix in some queso. It looks like that. I'm gonna warm this up until it gets hot. There are still a lot of people who think that I'm doing this entire weight loss journey wrong, and that's okay. That's okay. Ultimately, I'm going to do it my way, and whether that's the way you like it or not, I don't really care. I am here for the people who are going to relate to my journey and are doing it the same way as I'm doing it, or just looking for another viewpoint. That's what I'm here for, and I'll keep doing this because I love it. This looks so good. I have these Tostitos. These are my favorite chips whenever I'm having nachos, just because they have like this scoop. And then I'll probably put some sour cream. That's really good. And I obviously, again, I will not eat all of this, but this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. It is 8 o'clock right now. I'll probably be up until 10:30, and then I'll go to bed. But that's my day. Let me know what you thought of this style of video for a weekly weigh-in, stepping on the scale Saturday morning, going through what I eat the day, maybe a little bit about what I'm doing. If I'm brave enough to film in public, I'm still not. I prefer to just film at my house or in my car, but maybe I'll get more and more brave. If you have any questions or comments about my weight loss journey, feel free to ask down below. Also, if you are ready to get started on a GLP-1, you can get it from Elara. Elara is who I get my medications from. They are super affordable, super easy, super convenient, the best of the best. I absolutely love them. I get my meds from them every single month on the dot. If you need a place to show up, get inside the GLP-1 Girl Code community. It is my completely free community. I would love to have you in there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video, and if you have the hype feature, definitely hype it as well. I will see you in my next video. I hope you remember that you are doing so much better than you think. Keep going, you've got this. Go ahead and watch this video next, and I will see you next week. Bye.